Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit header in WPS Office. If you want to do it, you need to move your cursor to the upper side, and after that you need to click double time somewhere here to edit your header. Then this box will be successfully displayed here. So you can insert here, for example, any text. I type here simple text, and how you see it has been successfully inserted to our header. We need to click double time somewhere here to display the effect, and the header has been successfully added to our document. Of course, you can click double time here to edit it again, and for example, maybe I will add here another thing. I'm going to add here a picture, so maybe I will click on this one icon, and then I click from file. Now you need to select the file which you want to add to your document. For example, I select here this one, file cake.jpg, and I click open button to load it. And how you see it has been successfully inserted to our document. So now I click somewhere here double time, and how you see we have here text and the picture in our header. So in this way you can easily edit header in WPS Office. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.